Some investors are now much more negative on the Swedish krona due to the expectations of a rate hike. But what will be the key figures for the euro/SEK over the next 1, 3 and 12 months? Swedbank's Anders Eklof joins me down the line to share his insights. Anders, according to Riksbank, deflationary pressures may cause the SEK's fortunes to worsen in Q2. Your 1-month outlook is 905. What short-term factors could be the most influential?
Obviously, we got this inflation number the day after the Riksbank indicated a potential rate cut. We got an inflation number that was 0.3 below the Riksbank forecast, and the market is now pricing more or less a full cut in July. But obviously the next inflation numbers will be very important to see if this trend with weaker inflation continues, despite perhaps the Swedish krona weakness that could send import prices a little bit higher. So I think the next inflation number is important. That could change sentiment a little bit, but if this comes in at the same level or still low, I guess a cut is a done deal.
So 890 is your 3-month outlook. We've alluded to the potential impact of a July rate hike, but could this be the first of many?
I think we have already priced in a rate cut now, and I think that the Swedish exchange rate against the euro is more or less also priced this. As we believe that we are still in a recovery mode, we guess that this is a one-off cut that Riksbank will deliver, and perhaps when we get this behind us, I think that the krona could recover a bit.
And further down the line, 865 is a 12-month forecast. Will euro strength or SEK weakness be the main drivers here?
I think it's a combination of things, actually. I think as our headline scenario is that we are in a recovery mode, and that it would induce expectations of rate hikes next year. At the same time, I think that the euro will struggle for a little bit longer to get higher interest rates, and so that's behind that story. It's a little bit similar to what we have seen before. I think that the rate divergence in 1 year ahead will drive your stock a little bit down again.
So there we have it, 905, 890 and 865 are Anders Eklof's 1, 3 and 12-month forecast for the euro/SEK. Whether that rate hike boosts or hinders sentiment moving forward, well, only time will tell. So viewers, make sure you keep clicking back to Dukascopy TV for the very latest updates. Goodbye for now.